installation, you will need a trim puller tool and a 10mm wrench. We'll begin on the driver's side. Start by opening the trunk. Peel back the liner to reveal the brake light housing. Use your 10mm wrench to remove the 2 bolts holding the housing in place. Use your trim puller tool to pry free the housing. You can see how the locking tabs line up to hold it in place. The top bulb is the brake light. Remove the socket by turning it counterclockwise. Pull the incandescent bulb from the socket. Replace with the LED bulb and test it. Line up the tabs on the housing with the tabs on the socket and insert it into the housing. Turn the socket clockwise to lock it. Repeat the same steps on the passenger side. Remove the 2 bolts and use your trim tool to pry free the housing. Unlock the socket, turning it counterclockwise. Remove the incandescent bulb and replace with the LED. Insert the socket into the housing and turn it clockwise to lock it. Push the housing back into place, back to front, and replace the bolts. Push the liner back into place, and the installation is done. Here are what the new Ayla lighting LED bulbs look like installed.